Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, your English instructor Muhammad Hasnain, once again with all of you people. Today we are going to be doing one of the most important topics that I didn't do in the past, because I thought you people know about it very well, but my hopes were actually not taken that much. I underestimated you people, so I thought of big things from you people that you weren't able to do, and small things that I thought you were able to do, you did it very well. Now, first of all, lots of people told me on my page, etc., that why not you do noun? So first of all, I don't remember when I did noun. I thought I did noun, but I just forgot it. So we are going to be doing noun a bit more. Today we are going to be discussing that what is noun in detail. So let's start the topic. So first of all, what is a noun? So noun is any name of a thing, of a place, or of a person, of anyone, anything. दुनिया के अंदर जो कुछ भी है, everything in the world is a noun. Chair, pillow, board, marker, Hasnain. Let's get into the topic. So first of all, what is a noun? Anything, everything, and something in the world that you have. Its name is a noun. Any name in the world is a noun. If that's a pillow, chair, board, marker, boy, teacher, Hasnain, Shahzadi, mother, father, parents, it's everything like that. It's a noun. Computer, board, etc. Everything is a noun. Now, first of all, we will understand that how nouns work. Now, there are places nouns, there are now nouns for people, there are now nouns for multiple things. Now, nouns for places like Islamabad, Karachi, US, USA, Antarctica, these are nouns for places. Now, human beings or person to person or personal nouns, I call it personal nouns, you can call it anything you want. That is like boy, girl, man, woman, Hasnain, Ali, Muhammad, etc. All of them. These all are nouns. Now, there is a lot of types of nouns. A lot. Like, I mean a lot. But here the thing is, I cannot make this as long. If you take actually classes of 1.5 hours, so you will finish this topic within 4 or 5 days. It will take you this much time. It has a lot of types, but we don't have to do anything about that. For basic English, you don't need this much grammar things. I'll give you this much information that you need to learn for specific things. So what I call here is, what I differentiate between them is, you should know about this. Common nouns, and the second one, its name is something else, but what I call it is special nouns. I like to call it special nouns. Now you can call it personal nouns, private nouns, specific nouns, special nouns, anything, but I call it special nouns. But don't write the name of special nouns in the paper, because there is another name for that. So common nouns and special nouns. Now first of all, what is common nouns? Common nouns are any noun that is not specific. That is a general noun, like computer, any computer. Like there are a lot of them in the world. So which computer are we talking about? Pillow. There are multiple pillows here. Which one are we talking about? Chair. There are multiple chairs here. Which chair are we talking about? Boy. There are multiple boys. Which boy are we talking about? Girl, etc. Pencil, board, marker, everything. There is a lot of them. Now, like, these are all the words. In Urdu, we say isme marfa, isme nakra. Isme nakra means that are not special, like that are common, like ladka, ladki, kitab, etc. These are like the isme nakra. And the isme marfa is special. Like boy is in isme nakra, and in isme marfa we say Hasnain. Sister is in isme marfa, and Shahzadi is in isme nakra. Book is in isme marfa. No, book is in Isme Nakra, and the Alchemist book is in Isme Marfa. So I hope you people know about Isme Marfa, Isme Nakra, because it is a Urdu basic thing. I hope you people know about that. But like in English, then we have specific ones. Who do you want to talk about? I say boy. So there are multiple boys in the whole world. Which boy are you talking about? Hasnain. That boy, yeah, Hasnain, yeah, Ali, yeah, Muhammad, or anything, like any name you're saying. Like sister. Now many people have sisters. There are many sisters in the world of many people. Now who is the one that you're talking about? I'm talking about my sister. You can say my sister, you can say Shahzadi, you can say the name, you can say the like my, his, her, you can add pronouns to it to specify that whose is it. You can use that. Now book, there are many books in the world. Which book are you talking about? The Alchemist book I'm talking about, or the multiple books, the Ritual, etc. Multiple books that are in the world. So which one are you talking about? So I say it, the Alchemist book, for example. Now there are, if I say computers, so you will ask which computer? There are many in the world. I will say my computer, mine that I work on. Like there are multiple bottles in the world, so I say bottle. So you ask me which bottle? I say the red one. The red one also identifies it with the, I can also say the Spider-Man bottle. The name is the Spider-Man bottle, like it is a Spider-Man made on it. For example, this was an example. So like, I hope you people understood it. This is like specific noun and common noun. These are like the two types that I differentiated it. Now there are multiple types of them. There are multiple different types, but I don't want to explain all of them because they are very hard. And you don't need to learn that. Like the basic English that you need to understand and speak English, I'm teaching you here. So I hope you people understand it. This is all for today. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.